my name is Jamar McCoy.
Hello, my name is Gabrielle Wilson, and today we're going to be talking about Mr. Mack and his woodworking class.
At the beginning of the year, they were making cars, and now they're making shelves and painting them.
We're going to hear some words from Mr. Mack himself and about his woodworking class and the importance of woodworking.
Basically, kids learned a little bit of work ethic. They've used a little bit of engineering, some pre-engineering to kind of figure out how they wanted to do the effects on themselves. The car thing was kind of fun. They built model cars and we raced them. It was kind of neat. They got to use the bandsaw and experience some of the tools related to it. It's a good experience, I think, for everybody involved. You name it, wood's all around us every day. If a kid can learn that, not only is he had a chance to make, to find a good job in woodworking, but you can also save yourself a lot of money by doing the home repairs yourself. Probably just working, trying to finish everything. We're always really busy toward the end of the year and just wrapping things up. Got to do a lot of cleaning around the shop and getting everything ready for next year. The smile on these kids' face when they get to use that bandsaw or any kind of equipment, they're kind of in awe of that stuff, but it's all novel to them and they've never really had any experience for anything like that. And so they get excited when they get to use different things, different tools, and get to work with their hands. I started working when I was about 13 or 14 with an uncle of mine that was a carpenter. And so that was one of my first early jobs, and I kind of liked it. And I didn't get to do much of the woodworking. I was kind of more of a laborer and did everything, the carrying and all that. And then gradually kind of worked my way into working with wood. Oh, I really love it. I think they learn a good principle in work ethics. They get out of their comfort zone a little bit. A lot of kids, that intimidates them working with wood. And anytime I can get a chance to get them out of the comfort zone and experience something new, I think it's rewarding.